rate in terms of investments. The Minister of State Privatization and Investments, Everlyne Anite, has said. She made the revelation while on a visit to the modern laminate factory, which uses bamboo to recycle papers to virgin paper. She said she was there to see the progress of the modern laminate factory. The factory has also set up the first tissue culture laboratory in Uganda.
Because they started their company in this country by using the recycled paper. But because of the conducive environment that we provide for investors in this country, instead of repatriating their profit, they've decided to reinvest their profit in the country. That's why they are moving.
The farmers benefit in two types. One, they can sell carbon offset generated from bamboo, which we are going to liaise with them and we sell it for them. And the farmers are going to get the advantage out of it as compared to other crops where they have to replant every few years. Bamboo works for 90 years and above. So the replanting time is not required. The farmers just plant once, we take care of the technical side of it, and they enjoy themselves for 90 years out of the crop they get.
Anita said the factory is going to reduce on the country's import bill because Uganda has been importing virgin papers worth 80 billion shillings a year.
Factories in this place, and all of them are not small factories. We're talking about large factories. We're talking about automobile factories. And you can see we are right here in the automobile. They're assembling tuk-tuks, they're assembling trucks, lorries, and I want to say that it's exciting because proper brands like Ashok Leyland, which is largely in India and London, has now given them the authority to be able to assemble here in Uganda. And we have many Ugandan guys, boys and girls who have been employed to be able to do the assembling of trucks in our country and this MMP industrial park. We have seen today the textile factory. They've done the textile. They're also doing the structures for building a whole.
Modern Laminate will also manufacture toilet papers. The director of the company, Drav Tuma, said they are producing virgin papers out of bamboo wood, which will also produce electric power out of bamboo, and at the moment they have produced 15 megawatts.
Looking for products that we are importing heavily, and they are doing import substitution by manufacturing them here and creating jobs for our citizens. Now,
Anita also visited the Maragon Meghi Patel Industrial Park, which has 9 companies which produce pharmaceuticals, building materials, automobiles, construction materials, textiles, and pesticides. Many Ugandans are employed in these companies, reducing the rate of unemployment. Jan Sikato, William Ruanga,